Alright. Second verse. So, what if I said Rakia? What if I said Ayana? What if I said Renisha? All the sisters who got slaughtered. What if bring back our daughters was more than just a hashtag? And schools taught the babies how excited got the laugh last. Made a brass tack. Sisters carry the world on our backs. All facts with that truth that don't crack. Black that don't fold. Shine that don't diminish. Unbought, unbossed, unsold. Shirley Chisholm. Alright. Get over Eugene. Alright. Yeah. See, this is for my sisters who was born already paying dues. Criticized by people who can never walk in your shoes. They don't know what it's like to do what you gotta do. To Black Magic City women who strip to pay for school. I understand the struggle. Others they choose to judge you. But hold your head and understand that no one is above you. A beautiful energy comes with femininity. Speak these words to silly sis and hope that you're hearing me to mock your